Hello everyone, welcome back to Internship Studio series on exclusive internship opportunity with PPO. If you have already watched previous 4 parts, then you already know how valuable this update can be. And today we are back with more fresh opportunities. So far we have shared opportunities in various domains like software development, Java, full stack, digital marketing, UI UX and so on. And trust me, today's list is as exciting as previous one. So let's get started. So first company is Clan Cyber Tech Private Limited, hiring for AI ML intern. Stipend is 7 to 15,000 per month, and this opportunity is for Visakhapatnam location, which is hybrid mode. Duration is 6 months, and you can see the skill set: artificial intelligence, Python, Pandas. Next opportunity is for the same company. The company name is Clan Cybertech Private Limited, hiring for digital marketing intern. Stipend is 5 to 20,000 per month. This is the work from home opportunities. Anyone can apply for these opportunities who is from the digital marketing background. Duration is 6 months, and yeah, the skill sets are already given. You can check out. Third opportunity is for the same company, hiring for backend development intern. This is the unpaid opportunity, and location is like work from home. Duration is 6 months. Although this opportunity is like unpaid, but definitely you will get exposure on your coding side, and it will help you to gain some experience to work on live projects. Next opportunity for same company, hiring for front-end development intern. This is again unpaid opportunity. Location is work from home. Duration is 6 months. No experience needed. The skill set they are looking for: React.js, Next.js, Bootstrap, Tailwind, UI UX. If you really want exposure on live project, then definitely you can apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity is for CN Cyber Notice Private Limited. They are hiring for HR intern. Location is Hyderabad. This is a hybrid mode. Stipend is 5 to 25,000 per month. Duration 6 months. No experience needed. Skill set you can see here. They are looking for recruitment, employee engagement, talent acquisition, and the person who are applying for this position should be very good in communication. Next opportunity, CMC company, hiring for advocate intern. Anyone from the law background can apply for this opportunity. This is the unpaid opportunity. Duration is 3 months. Location is Noida, and skill set you can see they are looking for debit collection, asset recovery, custodial management, legal enforcement, etc. Next opportunity is for the company Save Health Now. They are looking for AI automation intern. Stipend is 3 to 6 months per month. This is work from home opportunity. Duration is only for 1 month. And the skills they are looking for: artificial intelligence, Python, lead generation, OpenAI. So those who knows this skill set, they can apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity, Catalyst. This company is hiring for product intern. Stipend is 7 to 10,000, and again this opportunity is work from home. Duration 6 months. You can check out the skill set what they are looking for: market research, PRD writing, product workflows, agile, ClickUp, Slack. Next opportunity is for Blue Criteria. They are hiring for the chartered accountant. Salary is 20,000 per month. This is the full-time opportunity, and this is work from home. Duration is, as I mentioned, this is full time. No prior experience needed. You can take a screenshot of these skills which they are looking for. Let's move to next opportunity. Again the same company, Blue Criteria. They are hiring for the civil engineering. Salary, this is the full time opportunity. This is like work from home. Salary they are offering 6,000 per month. Those who want to start their career, they can definitely apply for this opportunity, and the skill set you can check out here. You can take the screenshot of this skill set. Next opportunities, again the same company, Blue Criteria, hiring for the law. Salary is 12,000 per month. Location is work from home. Duration is full time. No prior experience is needed, and the skill set legal consultation and advisory, drafting and documentation, legal research, negotiation and dispute resolution, compliance and regulatory report. Next company, Eyewear Lab, hiring for the content creator. Those who love to create a content, they can definitely apply for this opportunity. This is work from home opportunity. Stipend is 10,000 to 15,000 per month. Duration is 6 months. No prior experience is needed. Skill set, they are looking for script writing, content shooting, video editing, content optimization, trend research, performance analysis. Yeah, so those who love to make content, they can definitely apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity is for the same company, Eyewear Labs. They are hiring for male anchor. Those who love communication, yeah, they can definitely apply for this opportunity. Stipend is 10 to 15,000 per month. Duration is 6 months. This is again work from home opportunity. No prior experience is needed. You can take the screenshot of this skill set they are looking for. Applying is very easy. You can click the link given in the description. You need to fill your details. You need to upload your resume. That's it. But make sure you applied before the deadline. And yes, prior applicants often get the priority. Here is the quick tip from my side. You can update your resume, highlight the skills which are mentioned in the particular job requirement. You can highlight those skills, because small changes often get noticed and can make difference in the process of the selection. If you found this video suitable, then you can like this video, you can share this video with your friend, you can subscribe to Internship Studios channel, and yes, see you in the next part. Thank you.